तो ऐसे हम अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे दोनों मिलके, ठीक है। दोनों का व्यू बढ़िया आ रहा है, दोनों का हैंडल बढ़िया आ रहा है, ठीक है।
Hello everyone, I am Anushi Singh. Welcome back to Taran Malik. And today we will be unboxing a brand new laptop. So let's start the video. Satisfying. This is a Lenovo laptop. It's an ideapad 3 which is 15 inches and it cost us 62,000. So let's begin the unboxing. It's covered with foam and very protected. So I hope that's not broken.
Start.
This is the Lenovo charger. It is of 65 watts. Now, this is the instruction manual and the customer service. Now let's begin the final unboxing. Very protected. Alright. From the inside the cover, it still looks in good condition. It looks very nice. Now let's see if it works. So let's start the laptop and begin with the setup. It's not charged yet, so we're gonna have to turn on the charger, but it's gonna be pretty soon charged and we can finally begin. Alright. While we set up, I'm gonna show you all of the ports. This has one HDMI port and 3 USB ports, and here's the plug for the charger. And the keys, everything is looking extremely beautiful. It has one USB port on the right side and one headphone jack. So we finally set up the laptop, but it still says this might take a few minutes, so let's wait and see what's inside. This laptop finally turned on, so let me show you how much memory it has. This is an 11th generation i3 processor. It has 8 GB of memory, 239 GB of storage. It has great Wi-Fi connection, 4 GB of graphic card. So now we're going to be testing the sound quality of this laptop. So this is the Lenovo ideapad 3. We got it off of Amazon for 36,000. Now, thank you for watching, and for more such videos, please subscribe to our channel.